So this is my Triumph Bonneville T120 Black, and I wanted to make a quick video about the highway peg system I got for this bike. And I often find that when I'm looking for new things, it's kind of hard to get a visual because there aren't many videos that show it. So I just thought I'd take a quick minute and show you a little bit. I was looking for a solution to give me more foot placement options on the bike, and it was kind of hard to find. A lot of them were $1,700 to $2,400, and I came up across this system online, and I will include the link in the description here. But basically what it is kind of like a highway peg system with a bar, and this is kind of what it looks like. Just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a close-up view. So basically it mounts to the front of the bike, and there's some instructions there, and it allows you to have a little bit more of a forward foot placement. Now I kind of like that because it allows me to switch a little bit from the standard to a little more aggressive to then a little bit more of a relaxed position. So just wanted to give you a visual so you can see how it looks. I got the taller brackets for it because I also have a Corbin seat, and that kind of recesses me back about 1.5 inches. I'm 6 feet tall, and I'll tell you, it's a great addition to the bike, really. I've ridden about 200 miles on the bike so far, and I like it a lot. I think I'm going to do a few more and then maybe do a more in-depth video. So here you go. These are the pegs. If you wanted to kind of switch and ride, you can kind of just fold them down, and there you go. You're kind of riding. They don't really pass the engine guards, really. It looks like they're using third-party pegs, and they're a little bit slimmer, as you can kind of see. And then I think that helps. Also, they're higher than the stock pegs, so it helps with leaning and cornering. And there you go. If you don't want to use them, they look like this, and then you can, again, extend them out. One thing I like about them is that they definitely look slicker and more part of the bike than some of the other options. I found that all the other options are quite expensive, and some of them look quite ridiculous. So I thought this was the best way to kind of have a system where you can enjoy forward controls, not forward controls, so you can enjoy a more forward riding position, get back to your standard position, but also at the same time not have some big ridiculous chunky things sticking out. And some of the other options I saw had kind of like these big L-shaped bars attached, and I just didn't like it. I feel that for the money it was a good buy. I think it was a few $100s, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. It doesn't stick out too much. Of course, they're front pegs, so you know they're going to stick out something. They're a third-party accessory, but at the same time, I think they are probably the best solution I found. And the crazy thing is, no one really makes videos for these things, so you don't know what they look like. I had the same situation with these boxes, and I had the same situation with the Corbin seat. You know, that was an expensive seat that, you know, there was a no refund, no return policy, so you were either all in or all out. And when it came to these pegs again, I was like, how am I going to spend $1,700 on a set of pegs? Or the other option is, you know, do I just pick up like a Speedmaster or a Cruiser for casual rides? And I thought for a few $100s this was worth a try, and once I did, I'm kind of glad I did it. I can always take it off if I don't like it, but I always have it when I need it, especially if I want to go on a longer touring ride. Anyways, tell me what you think. I'd love to hear. Maybe someone's got one of these too and has some other opinions or experiences with it. Thanks again for watching the video. Appreciate it.